All right, let's leave it at that and shift our focus to some breaking news coming in. 6 months after the IIT student's death, Calcutta High Court orders exhumation, second autopsy of the body. The Calcutta High Court on Tuesday ordered exhumation and second post-mortem examination of the IIT Kharagpur student Faizan Ahmed's body, which was buried in his home state in Assam 6 months ago, saying that it is a necessary step to bring out the truth behind his death. My colleague Adrija is joining us on the phone line to bring us more details. Adrija, this is happening 6 months after the IIT student's death, where the Calcutta High Court has ordered the exhumation and second autopsy of the body in order to bring out the exact truth of the death. Bring us more details.
Well, absolutely. So the Calcutta High Court on Tuesday has ordered the exhumation and a second post-mortem of the body of this IIT Kharagpur student, and whose body was buried in his home state Assam 6 months ago, saying that it was necessary to bring out the truth behind his death. However, the father of the third-year student had moved to court seeking more information for a special investigation team to probe into the death of the victim, Ahmed, the student of IIT Kharagpur. And the body of the victim, Ahmed, is ordered to be this order was given in Calcutta High Court under the examination of Rajshekhar Mantha, who has said that holding a second post-mortem examination is vital and necessary for arriving at the truth behind his death. He has also directed the second post-mortem of the body of Ahmed, a medical engineering student who hailed from in Assam. He also conducted a state-run college and hospital Kolkata after examination.
All right, Adrija, thank you for bringing us those details on that story.